Good morning, my little one. Good morning, Mama. But first, breakfast. All set. Let's enjoy our jungle walk. It's such a beautiful day. Can we go for a walk in the jungle today? Oh dear. It looks like he's hurt. We have to help him, Mama. You're right, my brave boy. Let's take him home and take care of him. Mama, can I give him some food? Of course. Birds love seeds. You're learning how to be kind and gentle. That's what makes a true helper. Mama! Look! He's flying! He's all better now. Yes! And it's all thanks to your kindness and care. Helping others feels really good, Mama.
It sure does, my little hero.